Fredericksburg County, District of Columbia, and the following counties in Maryland: Charles, Frederick, Montgomery, and Prince George's, and the following counties in Virginia: Arlington, Clark, Culpeper, Fairfax, Fauquier, King George, Loudoun, Madison, Orange, Prince William, Rappahannock, Spotsylvania, Stafford, and Warren, and the following independent cities in Virginia: Alexandria, Fairfax, Falls Church, Fredericksburg, Manassas Park and Manassas, and Jefferson, West Virginia, and the following: Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Tidal Potomac from Key Bridge to Indian Head, Maryland, and Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.